Hey guys, and welcome to Lotus and Luna's Wire Headband tutorial. I love this product because it is totally customizable and fits perfectly to my head so it won't move around or need frequent adjustments. There are tons of ways to wear this headband, but here are a few of our favorites. Let's get into it. This style is called the boho neck scarf. We're going to start out by putting the headband behind our neck, bringing the ends to the front and just making a little knot right here. You can do one knot or you can do two. This style is called the bunny ear knot. Again, we're going to start out with the headband behind our necks. We're going to bring the ends right up top to the edge of our hairline and make a simple knot right at the top. Next up, we have the rosebud. This has a similar start to the last style, but when we get to the top, we're going to loop around the ends like this. Then we're going to take each end and wrap them around in the same direction, tucking as needed to keep the ends secured. By the time you finish, it should resemble a little rosebud. Next up, we have the classic headband style. We're going to take the wire headband, place it on our forehead, and then tie a knot behind our neck. The last style is the ponytail scarf. So we're going to start out by putting our hair in a ponytail, take the wired headband behind our neck, and tie a knot over our ponytail. You can shop these cute and comfy wire headbands at lotusandluna.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique Lotus and Luna products and styling tips. We want to see how you style your wire headband, so tag us in your social posts and tell us what you think in the comments.